My room was starting to turn into a wasteland, so I began the week with cleaning it back up. I took out workout clothes to exercise yesterday, but as you can see, they're still here and I have not exercised. If your environment is a reflection of your mental state, then my mind and priorities have been all over the place the past couple of weeks. Luckily, cleaning is one of the easy things I don't mind doing since I see instant results, everything looks nicer, and I just feel good having a clean space. I can actually play a little song. I love Avatar, guys. I rewatched my favorite movie, The Cat Returns, earlier this week, and I was in the mood to make a Ghibli-inspired breakfast, minus the tomatoes, because I don't like tomatoes. I want to keep doing small things like this to romanticize my days and make things a bit more fun. This week, I really focused on writing. I wanted to actually see progress instead of just staring at a blank page all the time. So I made my word count goal super small and decided to just sit down and write for 1 hour. I didn't overthink anything, I didn't delete anything, I didn't care how bad it sounded, I just wrote. 963 words, so almost 1,000 words. The 3 days I wrote, I surpassed my goal each time. Anytime there was a word, phrase, concept, or name I couldn't think of in the moment, I just put 2 parentheses as a placeholder and moved on instead of spending hours trying to come up with it. The ticking clock reminded me I didn't have time to waste since I only had an hour, so my focus was just getting something on the page I can edit later and not trying to make it perfect from the get-go. Writing is a skill, so I'll get better the more that I do it, and it should feel easier. But for now, this approach really helped me make progress, and for the first time, I actually hit my weekly writing goal, so I'm hyped to keep going. I only exercised 1 day this week. My mom bailed on me and I fell into the trap of, well, if she's not exercising, then I don't have to either. So while an accountability partner is great to get you started, I've learned that you can't rely on them for you to show up each day. I have to decide to exercise regardless of if someone's doing it with me or not. But I did stretch 3 days this week. It wasn't every day like I wanted, but it's still better than not stretching at all. Healthy eating kind of flew out of the window this week, and I was on a roll of eating every single food I was craving. When I say I've never woken up and have wanted to eat something healthy over junk food, I mean it. So I really need to start experimenting with different recipes to find nutritious foods I think are delicious and can crave. I've still been logging everything in my MyFitnessPal though, so that's a habit that's slowly sticking. Overall, this week wasn't that bad. I finally made progress in writing, and while there were setbacks in other areas, I'm still aiming to achieve every goal I've set for myself. My progress is slow, that's just my reality, but I know if I keep trying and experimenting with what works for me, I will get to where I want to be. I hope you guys have a productive week, and I'll see you guys later.